Hi, I'm excited to show you the Cloud AI Copilots, a platform of intelligent AI agents built with Google ADK and Gemini 2.5 Flash, deployed entirely on Cloud Run. This dashboard gives you access to powerful agents, K8s Copilot for Kubernetes management, and cost copilots for cloud cost analysis. Both agents communicate using Google's A2A protocol, enabling them to collaborate on complex tasks. I'm going to open an agent here for you to see. So this is the K8s agents. For instance, I can ask it questions about my cluster. I can say, what's up with my cluster today? My cluster today. It goes ahead to search and find information about my cluster, mostly troubleshooting related information. Okay, so as you can see, it has found some issues with cluster here. It goes ahead to say, oh, I have some unhealthy pods detected and things like that. This is a multi-agent system, so ideally it should diagnose, investigate, and give you remediation advices, right? I have a parallel agent in a separate Cloud Run service that the cost copilot, as you've seen, that we can ask questions in relation to costs, both independently and from the K8s agent. So for instance, I can ask the K8s agent, what is the cost of my test scenarios namespace? Okay, so as you see here, it does some evaluation based on CPU usage and memory usage to tell me the cost of these namespaces. I can do a comparison of namespaces also to do some cost evaluation. The cost agent is also a similar one. I can ask it general questions about the cloud environment generally, right? And also ask it specific questions about Kubernetes. This is it primarily. Everything is on Cloud Run, all services, and we have like A2A interaction. And yeah, thank you.